Don't worry, Kev. I'll leave all this fluff for you to pick up.
Is her tail getting you? Is that tail getting you?
Dog.
Dog, yeah.
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah, it's there.
Who's that? It's Dada.
Is that Jersey?
It's there.
Jersey?
Yeah, Mama.
It's
Who's
not
that?
Mama.
Who's that? It's Mama. Thanks. We look so much alike.
Down.
You get down? You're still eating.
Is that a cracker?
Apple.
Are you having some milk? Is that rice yummy?
Mm.
Rice?
Yeah.
What's that?
Mm.
What's that?
Mm.
You said rice?
Mm. Mm. Dada.
Dada, yeah.
It's there, Mama.
Who's that Mama?
Oh!
You see Sancho? See the size of a kitty cat? Sancho.
I'm gonna buy you a sweater, Sancho. It'll be here on Thursday.
What color is it?
White.
White.
It's nice. It's handmade.
It's gonna get so dirty. Maybe we'll have to wash it with a pink towel.